Yeah, zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. That was a Mazda commercial, right? Yeah, cut it off for a second, man. Let me go get these stickers. Hey, shout out to all my people that's watching on TikTok, man. Tonight is a record-breaking night. We hoping to do it like this all the time. Have 800, 900, maybe 1,000 people in the chat. Yeah. But anyway, we out here on my YouTube channel. We got, what, 1,300 people live on my TikTok and about 800 on my YouTube. Okay, we got Blackjack in the line, y'all. They pushing it up. Ooh, this a good intermission right here. I need to re-up on stickers. Ooh, she got that stomach out. Look out. Oh, okay. Okay. They already on there. You know, this is where people be cheating on their girlfriend there, man. You come up here, chill with little new something, take her out. Cause they be cheating, we need about 100 stickers. Man, I spent $300 on all these stickers, y'all. I'm just over here giving them away. But I mean, y'all paying for them. I'm letting all y'all. I'm just, you know, I be looking out, trying to look out. I'm almost out of the little ones. I need to, hold on, y'all. Let me pull all out this bag so I can see what I'm working with. Okay, there we go. There go the little ones. Okay, got the little ones right there. And then I'm gonna take a couple big ones right here. Okay, bear. We good now. Now I need to give me something to drink. I done got thirsty. Yeah, we in Texas, man. Somebody say they need to be up here so they can cheat. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh, little small block. Small block. Hey. What's up with it, man? Okay, it's called Lookout Racing, man. Oh, she on there for real. I was about to give you a call. Here you go. You can get here. Yeah, give it to your uncle now. Give it to your uncle. Thank you, miss. Okay, we got Jackie in the building. Hey, Jackie. We got Jackie in the building, man. We got Jackie in the building. Hey, nothing. Hey, y'all. This a good time, y'all. This really good. I got that filter on, so y'all can check out my YouTube channel. I really want y'all to go to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see my little home girl in there. Uh-oh, Jessica. Ooh. Hey, Jessica. Hey, how you doing? Miss, I need to skip and get a drink because I'm thirsty. I'm going to come back and pay. Yeah, my nigga. Yeah, she going to make it. How you doing today? Okay, she doing good, y'all. She doing good. Jessica. Goddamn. I learned how to use my look out. Yeah, we're gonna be. Yeah. Oh, let me see if I got some change.
49, número 49.
Try to knock them out right now. Dang. Oh, that's me, miss. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be back, man. I'm gonna be back. Y'all gonna get paid. Okay. Thank you. Gracias. Dile tu tío. TJ Reeves. I got enough time to walk around. It's a BMW right now. What's up with it? Look out. Ah! Oh, yeah, I need this drink, y'all. I'd rather more pineapple, but that bitch hidden. That bitch hidden. That's what I'm talking about. You know, when that drink be fresh and they put the ice in, but you gotta pull your straw up so you can get the cold pieces up, because if you put that straw all the way down at the bottom, that drink still gonna be hot. You gotta pull that straw, have that bitch leaning out like that. You see that? Gotta have that straw leaning out like that. Get you a sip. God damn. Boy, that thing doing something. Who's somebody? D-Rod talking about blow in it. What that supposed to do? Is that your method of stirring it up? Hey, y'all, D-Rod be blowing in his drink, y'all. Making bubbles and shit. Y'all see that slow caprice over there? That's my shit. Somebody talking about just shake it. That shake method ain't better than my method that I just told you about. Look, this my boy up here, y'all. He had one fight. Now he got shirt talking about only hands.
Hold on. Oh my God.
Yeah, only hands.
Hold on.
Now he.
Nah, he on camera.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got a mask on. Yeah, I got a mask on that bitch.
He got only hands. Oh shit, he done pulled that thing out, y'all. Ooh, he got that thing, y'all. Y'all ain't got only hands, he got that thing. Y'all want more problems. He done pulled the thing out, y'all. He ain't see nothing. Uh-oh. Got blackjack up here. Huh? Come on now. You need to come put your shout out in. Look out, go on, tell them.
Triple threat racing.
Okay.
So we got it going on with Ali right now.
They got it going on with Ali.
Yes, sir.
Y'all better watch out they winning races and betting that cash.
Yes, sir.
When y'all want to bet, find him, y'all. He the one with the money. He got the money. We got blackjack right here. We got blackjack. He say anybody at Yello Belly can get it tonight, goddammit. Huh? Yeah.